I must have the graphene. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you the detailing information
and other automotive goodness. I'm Ryan.
Brandon here. We are going to bring you some information about coatings today. A little update, right?
But before we do,
information from our sponsors.
Yes. Yeah, we're sponsored today by us.
Yes. So please like,
thank you,
subscribe,
sponsor.
ring the notification bell, share with your friends, and check out the merch listed in the link below in the description.
All right, so now that we got the bills paid,
yes,
let's move on to what we're going to talk about today. Oh, maintaining a coating.
Yeah, and
right?
we've done maintenance wash videos, right? Not really for a coating per se, but just like a maintenance wash.
Right.
Where we did have coatings on the vehicle. So check those out if you're interested. It's the whole process. Kind of get to watch us time-lapse wash if that's your thing.
Yeah.
But we're going to hit your Equinox today. We're going to go back and
Yes.
talk about it a little bit. It's been how long?
1 year and 3 months since we applied Adams Polish's ceramic graphene coating.
Not spray coat, just coating. The
actual
little bottle
coating.
Glass
Yeah.
bottle of coating.
Yeah.
It's a 7-year, well, that's what they say. 7-year coating.
Yes. And even though
That's a long time.
you have a good coating, and we started with a correctly prepared surface,
right.
Thank you. You still do want to maintain your coating.
You don't
whatever
want
you
to
have.
just leave it there for 7 years.
Yeah.
Because I promise you it won't be there after 2.
Right. Yeah, you do need to maintain the coating.
Because, and that's fair, because some people might not know.
Yeah.
They hear 7-year coating. Oh, sweet,
they're like,
I don't have to wash the car. I'll let the rain wash it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no.
No.
That's not what they mean, even though that's what they tout and kind of little trickery kind of going on there,
is.
But anyways, we've got, we're going to show you the regimen that you've been taking care of your Equinox for this time period. And then we're going to go out there and maybe overlay some video, let you see how the hydrophobic's looking and,
beads.
Really that, just kind of an update.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
To get started, it's holding up well, right?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it's just the benefits of that coating so far. When it does rain, the road grime doesn't appear to stick like an pre-coating.
Like before, yeah.
Like before the vehicle was coated. So, and then when I do go to wash it, it's just so much easier.
Isn't it cool? I mean, I have a similar experience with the spray coating on my vehicles. Very similar behavior of the coatings. It just doesn't last quite as long to them. We don't know, but we're only at a little over a year on both of them here. But when you're rinsing and you can watch the dirt, generally all of it just rinses off.
Exactly.
We still wash the vehicle, hence this bottle of graphene shampoo here.
Right.
From Adams. But and that's why that's a cool thing. I love to watch that.
It is.
You know that there's something there doing the job, the protection barrier that you laid down and put all that hard work into.
Yeah. The grime just does not stick to the vehicle
Bird
that
poo.
is coated. And that's a great one. Just literally yesterday, there was a big old bird poo on the hood. I used a little detail spray, and it wiped off so easy. It didn't. I mean, it just came off
It's almost
easy.
like it was still fresh in a way, kind of.
So and the beads, which I hope you'll see, it beads really nice. It just and it looks great too.
Yeah.
And, I mean the
good gloss.
Yeah.
So what we want to say is, how often have you been washing the vehicle over that year?
I would say it's been between washes. It's been 2 to 3 months, sometimes 4 months.
Okay.
So it hasn't been washed a whole lot.
And I actually like that because,
to be honest,
we know sometimes people wash weekly, some people a couple times a month. We're just proving the flexibility that the coatings allow you to wait if you want. It's up to you if you don't, It's dusty here. So I think you and I are I wait a couple months sometimes. I try to do a month. Sometimes it's 2. Because the car gets dusty within a week. And you're kind of like,
Yeah. I mean, the biggest thing is if we do get a rain shower or, you parked under a tree somewhere and you did get some
I guess what I'm
bird poo or
getting
whatever.
at is you'd probably clean it more often if we lived somewhere where it rained.
Right.
You know, or had some, it's just dust here.
Or if we had winter weather, you know, with salt on the roads.
So you've been maintaining, now this product, Adam's Graphene shampoo was not out when we put that coating on. So
no, I started
shampoo, pH balanced shampoo.
Yep, exactly. I started with just the normal Adam's polishes, car shampoo actually.
But then since this has come out, great product to keep in the family.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Right. Great point. Thank you for saying that. And these products, I just wanted to keep it within that graphene ceramic family.
You started with the, you know, and it's good money you're spending on that coating. They're close to $100.
Yes.
Right? So may as well, and they're known for good products. If they don't work,
and it's just it was just easier for me to
black and silver
pick
labels.
the products because it's like, oh, they all
and it looks
all
so
work
nice
together.
All together with the matching labels.
They do look cool on your shelf.
But anyways, good thing about the shampoo I wanted to say is it has degreasers in this, but it will not ruin the coating, obviously. It's meant to work with it.
Yeah.
The degreasers in there, smells good, and really helps revitalize and maintain your coating is what they tout on that. So that's what you're cleaning with now. We're going to clean with that today.
Now, the one product that we have been using since the product...
This is for that maintaining.
Since the coating was applied, is after a wash, I would kind of use this almost as a drying aid.
Yeah, it's like, helps with any leftover water spots.
If there is any water sitting that I missed, that I didn't dry, it keeps it from spotting. And that's just their graphene detail spray. So, I mean, pretty simple.
It's their detail spray, but it actually has a little bit of, you know, it rejuvenates your coating.
Yes.
A little bit, and you can use that after every wash. They don't say it on there. From what I've heard, the Adams chatter, this stuff will give you close to a month's protection.
Yeah, it doesn't say, but it does say it extends the protection. I'm sorry, it's my first day talking. It does say it extends the protection of waxes, sealants, and coatings.
Yeah,
so
it's pretty decent.
So you don't need a high-end coating or a graphene coating or a ceramic coating to use this.
Yeah,
and you will get, like Brandon just said, you will get protection out of it.
Yeah. And, you know, all these factors of how long something lasts, so many variables there. Guys.
Yeah.
Is your car out all the time? Is it in a garage? Is your weather? So take all that with a grain of salt.
Yep.
Last item.
And now this is a new purchase by me. I have not used this yet. I got to be honest.
Now, I've been using that.
This is the Adams Polishes Graphene Tire Dressing, and I have not used this yet.
We have a video on it.
So, but we did do a video.
I have a video on all these.
So technically, I did use it.
Just not on your vehicle, right?
Correct. Yes, thank you. This has not been used on the Equinox. So,
I'll go out to great product, and it performs as expected. I feel it holds up really, really well, and it's not super. You can make it as shiny or not shiny as you want by more or less product. Smells good, and yeah. So
we just wanted to kind of show you what we're doing to maintain that ceramic graphene coating.
Yeah. So let's see.
Let's see how
we're still here in 6 more years. We can say the 7 years.
Exactly. So keep checking in.
All right. So for the rest of this video, you guys are going to see just some hydrophobics and whatnot, and that's it.
Yeah.
Right. So hey, we appreciate you guys watching, but don't leave yet. Should we wrap this up? I don't know.
Yeah.
You got to get out there and wash the vehicle.
They'll see for themselves how well the coating's held up.
Yeah, we'll give you guys some nice music and some just action of some rinsing, some suds.
Yeah.
I'm playing this out in my mind like a dream.
Yeah.
So stay for that.
All right.
Later.
Thank you.
Going outside.
We'll see you
next video after you watch us clean the car.
Hey, I got to get to work.
Okay. Let's do that. Hey guys, appreciate you watching. Thanks. And until the next time.
See you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Graphene, graphene, graphene.
Are we doing the
for the
graphene
win?
again?
Yeah, we're doing the graphene dance. Yeah, I'm doing. No, I don't know. I literally have.
I am not doing that.